Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and preparing credentials, because HomeKit requires a compatible accessory or bridge and your Apple ID signed into the Home app. Once powered, put the LED or bridge into pairing mode following the maker's short instructions. This enables discovery. Make sure firmware is current to avoid pairing errors. Now open the Home app, tap Add Accessory, and scan the HomeKit code or enter it manually. This begins the secure pairing handshake between your device and Apple Home. Once paired, focus on bridge and network details because stability depends on them. Connect any external bridge to your router via Ethernet and use 4 GHz Wi-Fi for the LED controller if it's wireless. Many devices don't support 5 GHz well. Grant local network permission to the manufacturer app, update bridge firmware, and confirm the bridge and lights show in home. Assign clear names and room locations so Siri and scenes work reliably. Finally, test color and dimming controls to verify. Finish by building scenes and automations so your LED lights react automatically. Enable an Apple TV, HomePod, or iPad as your home hub to allow remote access. Test Siri commands and group multiple strips to control them together. Tweak transition speeds for smoother fades. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Power cycle router and lights, verify the HomeKit code on the device, and perform a factory reset of the LED or bridge only if needed. Make sure your chosen home hub is online and signed into the same iCloud account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.